Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss and talk about chemical engineering and its scope, especially in Pakistan. So we will look and will deal with the universities offering graduation degree in chemical and job nature of a chemical engineer, especially in Pakistan. So let's start from a very first and basic question that who is a chemical engineer? This is the answer that a person who has a knowledge of basic sciences such as physics, chemistry, and mathematics, along with engineering laws, heat transfer, mass transfer, thermodynamics, and fluid mechanics, and he applies this knowledge in the safe and economical transformation of a raw material into useful products is a chemical engineer. A raw material can be anything like mineral, crude oil, or other chemicals, while in product side we have food, clothes, fuel, plastic, rubber. So in each and every industry where some raw material is being converted into useful product due to chemical reaction, presence of chemical engineer is must. इस सारे प्रोसेस को इंश्योर करने के लिए केमिकल इंजीनियर की जॉब्स को हम कुछ इस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हैं that creation and invention of new processes. For example, mixing of nitrogen with hydrogen causes production of ammonia. This is a process और chemical engineer का ही काम है किस तरह के process को वो invent करे या design करे. Then he has to design industrial size units or complete industry. किसी एक लैब स्केल रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट बनने वाले प्रोसेस को एक इंडस्ट्री के स्केल पे अप्लाई करना ये केमिकल इंजीनियर का काम है. देन ही हैज़ टू फैब्रिकेट एंड इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ यूनिट्स के दौरान उसका प्रेजेंट होना किसी भी इंडस्ट्री स्पेशली पेट्रोकेमिकल और केमिकल उसकी सेफ वर्किंग और उसकी सेफ इंस्टॉलेशन दिस इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ केमिकल इंजीनियर. वंस इंडस्ट्री हैज़ बिन सेटअप उसके बाद केमिकल इंजीनियर का ही काम है कि उसकी सेफ रनिंग को इंश्योर करे, उसकी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को मेंटेन रखे. एंड ही लुक्स कि अगर कोई एडिशनल चेंज करने से एक आध एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट लगाने से एफिशिएंसी में इन्हांसमेंट आ सकती है, देन ही हैज़ टू इंस्टॉल न्यू यूनिट्स एज वेल. So let's talk about universities of Pakistan which are offering graduation degree in chemical. First is University of Engineering and Technology Lahore, then PU, then NEST, then GIK is there. We have NID as well, Dawood College, UIT Peshawar, University of Gujarat, NFC Faisalabad, NFC Multan, then Mehran University, Kamsats Lahore, Wah College, then BUTM Quetta, then University of Faisalabad, Karachi University, MNS Multan, Institute of Southern Punjab, Imperial College, PICCS, and Sharif College. So total there are 21 institutes in all over the Pakistan, and annually they are producing more than 1400 chemical graduates. So this is in this phase we will discuss about the scope and job nature for a chemical engineer in Pakistan. A chemical engineer can have a field job or his job can be an other than field job. In field, chemical engineer can work as a production engineer, as a process engineer, as a safety engineer, or as a design engineer. uh, as a production engineer he has to ensure safe running and smooth working of a process plant. His example is just like driver of a car. Then प्रोसेस इंजीनियर का काम ज़्यादातर थ्योरेटिकल और कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड होता है. ही हैज़ टू कैलकुलेट के प्लांट की एफिशिएंसी को हम इन्हेंस कैसे कर सकते हैं. केमिकल इंजीनियर की एक बहुत बड़ी वास्ट फील्ड है दैट इज़ अ सेफ्टी इंजीनियर. एज अ सेफ्टी इंजीनियर ही हैज़ टू इंश्योर environmental health and safety. He has to ensure safe working of industrial employees और उसके बाद उस चीज़ को भी मेंटेन रखता है कि किसी इंडस्ट्री का वेस्ट एक लिमिट से क्रॉस ना करे. एज अ डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर एक केमिकल इंजीनियर काम ज़रूर कर सकते हैं बट इन पाकिस्तान डिज़ाइन पे इतना ज़्यादा काम नहीं है. If you are not interested in field job then okay you can go for higher study, you can get your master degree and then enter into teaching field, or there is another option of research and development and deployment. In field job, first and highly paid and most charming sector is oil and gas sector. We can divide it further. First part is exploration and processing companies, in which we have OGDCL, Baker Hughes, ENI, PPL, UEP, Pole, Weatherford, OPL, BHP, OMV. Mostly these companies are multinational in nature, and they hire chemical and petroleum engineer for the drilling of oil and gas from ground. In oil and gas sector, we have second part as the refineries. We have total 5 refineries in Pakistan like Parco, ARL, PRL, National Refinery, and Baiko. Then there are gas distribution company and processing companies which hire chemical engineers such as Sui Sajaran, Sui Northern, Admore, Wake Gas, Noor LPG, Mari Petroleum Company. And this is the second sector for a chemical engineer, that is fertilizer sector. There are Fatma Fertilizer, Fuji Fertilizer, Park Arab, Angro, Dawood Hercules, Fuji Fertilizer, Bin Qasim, and Agritech. Third sector is chemical and petrochemical industries such as Tara Chemical, Ittihad Chemical, ICI Pakistan. Usually product of a chemical or petrochemical are like caustic soda, soda ash, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. We have Olympia Chemicals, Lotte, and Shell are a noun name. Then there are FMCGs. FMCG are fast moving consumer goods company. First part of FMCG can be healthcare products. Here we have Colgate, Palmolive, P&G, Unilever, Racket Bank easier. These all are multinational in nature, and they have a very attractive salary packages. You can imagine maybe more than 90,000. Then in FMCG we have food sector. Here Rafan, National Foods, Angro Foods, United Foods. We have Nestle, we have Halib, Coke, PepsiCo, and Pakistan Tobacco. If you are interested in learning of chemical engineering process, then go for oil and gas sector and fertilizer sector. Although they are tough in nature, but they are good for learning. In food manufacturing or fast moving consumer goods such as food sector and the healthcare products, usual companies are multinational in nature, so they have very attractive salary packages. But their jobs are not directly related to chemical, because their plants are usually automated, and they usually hire least manpower. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर काम मार्केटिंग और मैनेजमेंट टाइप का होता है. सो अगर आप एक ग्रेजुएट ट्रेनी के तौर पे काम करना चाहते हैं और प्रोसेस को सीखना चाहते हैं, गो फॉर ऑयल एंड गैस और फर्टिलाइजर सेक्टर. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क एज अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी, देन FMCG is a good option. Cement plants are also among the sectors for a chemical engineer, like we have Maple Leaf, Lafarge, Fuji Cement, Bestway, and a lot of other names are also there. Two more sectors are power plants and textile industry or paper industry. हर वो पावर प्लांट जहाँ पे स्टीम टरबाइन या किसी भी किस्म की टरबाइन रन करे और कोल बेस्ड या किसी और किस्म का बॉयलर मौजूद हो, वहाँ पे केमिकल इंजीनियर का होना मस्ट है. सो पावर प्लांट्स के अंदर भी केमिकल इंजीनियर्स कुड वर्क, लाइक फॉजी फर्टिलाइजर पावर प्लांट, वी हैव एंग्रो पावर जेन एंड हबकोक पावर प्लांट. इसके अलावा और भी इंडिपेंडेंट पावर प्लांट्स IPPs आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन पाकिस्तान एज वेल. In textile or fiber industry, we have ICI Polyester, Rupali, a very good name. We have Ibrahim Fiber and Crescent Bahuman, Sargoda. And in paper industry, we have packages and Bulle Shah packages. There are a number of other names जो सारे यहाँ पे डिस्कस नहीं हो सकते, बट वी कैन नेम देम जितने हो सकें. केमिकल इंजीनियर के सेक्टर के अंदर ही कुछ और नेम हैं, जैसे कि पेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, लाइक वी हैव ग्लास इंडस्ट्री, शुगर मिल्स, फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री, एंड देयर इज़ अ पेपर इंडस्ट्री. देन वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स, वन ऑफ द मेजर सेक्टर फॉर अ केमिकल इंजीनियर. उसके बाद डिज़ाइनिंग फर्म्स ऑफ कोर्स कुछ हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान के अंदर की ज़्यादा एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है. If you are not interested in a field related job, then you can pursue your higher education. In higher education you can get an MS degree, you can get MBA, or you can move for research and development. एमएस के अंदर आपके पास तीन ऑप्शन है. फर्स्ट, यू कैन गो अब्रॉड, वहाँ जाके आप एमएससी करें एंड देन बैक यू कैन work as a teacher with a very attractive salary package. Second option is that you can work as a teacher just after your graduation and you can have a part-time MS degree. थर्ड ऑप्शन कि आप प्यास के अंदर एडमिशन ले लें बट दे हैव लिमिटेड सीट्स और एमएस करने के बाद ज्वाइन एटॉमिक फील्ड, अ वेरी सिक्योर जॉब. You can get MBA degree. After that you can join field related jobs again. और MBA की डिग्री लेने के बाद you will pursue your future in management and marketing. अगर आप रिसर्च में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो यू कैन take part in research as well, research and development and deployment. Although this is a new field in Pakistan, इस पर कोई ज़्यादा काम नहीं है बट कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं just like PCSIR etc. You can work on renewable energy field, you can work on biofuels, nanotechnology, research and development एक new field है, you can go for it. So in short, future is bright. If you are a chemical graduate, then don't worry. कुछ वक्त के बाद your future will be better than many others. So I have a very good job. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and have a great time. Thank you very much.